Okay, so as you guys can see, this is a drawing from 2014. It's an attempt of me to draw Goku from the first time that he turned into Super Saiyan 3. I think every one of you know this reference. And back in the day, I thought this drawing was great, but I can see obviously that it has many flaws. So now I'm just gonna draw Goku with an original pose, not a reference, and let's just see what's gonna be the outcome. So without further ado, let's get to it. Enjoy the process and stick with me till the end of the video. Here goes.
Flying by, away from them, and no one can see me now. I'm miles above you, don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above, I'm miles above you.
Everybody. So let's compare the two drawings side by side. As you can see, the pose is completely different and original, and I gotta say I'm really pleased with the improvements. I hope you guys like it as well. Please let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. Make sure to leave a comment, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna upload new videos every weekend. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.